How to check call duration in Android. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and let me show you on how to check call duration in Android. Without further ado, let's begin. First of all, launch your phone app on a device. You can see all the recent calls or you can even search for a particular contact. So let's choose a particular contact and open it. When you tap on it, you will see the history option. Select history. When you open it here, you can easily see all the missed calls, outgoing call or incoming call, along with the date and the time duration. At the right side, you can see 20 seconds, 5 minutes, 48 seconds. So these are all the call durations with a particular users or contact on Android device. You can even watch the particular date and the time of the call duration. So that is how we successfully check call durations in Android. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.